Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Canon Coffee, and I have this Breville Oracle Touch here. It was malfunctioning due to a leak coming from the O-ring on the steam boiler. So I replaced all of the O-rings on that boiler, and actually they were getting the board wet, which sits just right above the boiler here. Dried that out, and the machine is working great. I just want to do a quick test to show you everything's in working order. So let's do this one here.
You can drink as much as you want. Or
Right, there's that.
This is Zolo. Just around the corner from here. Yeah. How long has this been here? We've been there for 13 years. Yeah, we specialize in the commercial world. We specialize in repair and service. Yeah. We find that they are more durable than
Alright. And I'll just stop this a bit early. But as you can see, it's working as it should.
I think it's layered. I do think slayers are great machines.
And I'll show you the steam. You can see that works. And that's about it. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.